Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the rear wiper on a Subaru Crosstrek. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blade for your vehicle. Park your car on a level surface and turn off the ignition. This simple guide will walk you through each step, making the process quick and easy. You won't need any specialized tools, just your new wiper blade and a few minutes. To begin, gently lift the rear wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Be careful not to let it snap back against the glass. Next, look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm's hook. It should detach with minimal effort. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm, ensuring it clicks securely into place. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it's properly seated. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. This step is crucial for safe and effective wiping. With the new blade installed, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Do not let it drop suddenly. Once it's resting on the glass, turn on your Subaru Crosstrek and activate the rear wiper. Observe its operation to ensure it wipes smoothly and makes full contact across the window. This confirms your new wiper is correctly installed and ready for use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.